Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing one of the most important constructions, the construction of angle of 60 degrees. This construction is going to be used later on to construct angles of 30 degrees, 90 degrees, 45 degrees and the other angles. So our first step is to draw a line segment AB of any length. So I take a point A and I take a point B. I join them with the ruler to get the line segment AB. My next step is that with A as center and any radius, I make an arc to intersect the line segment AB at point C. Then, with C as center and the same radius, without changing the radius, I make another arc on the previous arc to intersect the previous arc at point D. If I join A and D and I extend it to point E, then angle BAE so formed is equal to 60 degrees. We can take the protractor and measure it also. You can see it is coming out to be 60 degrees. So hence we've constructed the angle of 60 degrees. So I hope this construction is clear to you. Thank you so much.